Alright, when you're listening to the lungs, you're going to listen to both the anterior and the posterior sides. The anterior side is better for listening to the upper lobes, while the posterior is better for the lower lobes. You're always listening for a full cycle of inspiration and expiration, and the things you're listening for are duration, rhythm, pitch, sound quality, and any extra sounds you may hear while they're breathing. So the first location you find just above the clavicle. Is it alright if I put this on your chest?
Yes.
Alright, go ahead, breathe in and out, and then you go directly across the other side and you're comparing the sides. Then you find the second intercostal space. Then to the third. And then you move into the fourth intercostal space. On the right side, this indicates where the middle lobe of the right lung is, and it's still the upper lobe of the left. And the fifth is also the middle lobe, and then the fifth on the left. Then you're moving down to the sixth intercostal space, and this is the lower lobe on the right and left. And then you're going to move down to the seventh. And that is all the anatomical positions that you have to listen to. Again, you're listening for the sound quality, the rhythm, pitch, and any extra sounds you may hear.